on, guys? Today we're going to be going over exactly my trading setup, what I use every single day, as well as everything that's on my screen. So before I begin, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below how many monitors you guys are using and your current trade setup right now, and how you guys like my trading setup. So on my left is going to be my horizontal monitor, and I'm going to show a picture right now. That is my trading setup on the left monitor. This is basically my execution screen. This is the level 2 right here. This is Moderna right here. Moderna, so 1, 1, and 1. This is the flexible grid on TOS. This allows me to move it however I want, right? And I can add different columns, so I can have 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. So that's the pros of a flexible grid instead of a regular chart on TOS. This is the time and sales. This is the 1 minute on Moderna. This is the 5 minute on Moderna, the 15 minute on Moderna, and I also have the execution screen on here. I didn't add it on here just for the sake of the video, but this is basically my screen as well as NQ. So I do have a market internal on here, which is NQ. I like to look at NQ overall compared to everything else on the execution screen, but this is just my first screen right here. Now, before I begin any further, I just want to say that it doesn't matter how many monitors you have. It's about what you can do with each monitor, right? You could have 15 monitors and still not be as successful as, for example, I will be with 1 or 2 monitors. I will be just fine with 1 or 2 monitors. It's just the convenience that adds with extra monitors. Of course, it's there, but it's not necessary. You only need 1 or 2 monitors to even begin with, right? Because if you have more than 2 monitors and you're just beginning out, you might be a little bit distracted with the noise. You think it might be actually counterproductive. You might think that more monitors the better. It might not be if you're a beginner trader, or it just might not work out. Even if you're an advanced trader, you might only want to stick with 1 or 2 monitors just because you don't like the extra noise. I do this because I also run a Discord, so I'm gonna have to utilize half a monitor just for my Discord, right? So I have to, answer them while I'm in the trades and stuff like that. But I also like just the convenience of having more monitors. That's not the case for everyone else. Some people just like to have 1 or 2 monitors. You literally only need 1 or 2 monitors. You don't need more than that. So don't let that fool you at all. The more monitors does not make you a better trader. It's what you can do per monitor that will make you the best trader. All right, that's out the way. Now let's get into my middle 2 screens that are vertical. These are 27 inches. Everything's 27 inch. 27, 27, 27, 27. These 2 are vertical. The left and right ones are horizontal. So here's a picture of the vertical ones. All right, so now here is my 2 middle screens. We have the watch list. I usually consist about 5 stocks that I'm watching for each day. You really don't need more than that. If you get comfortable with the 5 stocks that you're watching, you'll be perfectly okay in the market. You don't need to oversaturate your watch list. You don't need more than 5. Maybe you're comfortable with 10. You really don't need more than that. If you get good at watching 5 stocks each and every single day, you'll just know them from the back of your hand, right? I always have Tesla and Nvidia. These past couple of weeks, Nvidia has just been great to us, especially today. We made 70% overall on Nvidia today, which is perfect. So this is why I'm going to continue to have it on my watch list. I only watch about 5. You only need to watch about 5. But that's what I suggest to you guys for the watch list. Just make it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need 20 different stocks. You only need about 5, and then just watch it throughout the day. So here's Nvidia, Tesla. This is just my watch list, my executions, right? So this is all my active traders. I will move it over to my left horizontal one, which you guys saw before. If I'm about to execute the trade, right? I'm not going to execute it on this screen. I might sometimes, depending on how fast, something's going on. But I usually transfer it over to my horizontal screen and then execute on there. This is just stuff that I'm watching to make sure that I'm watching the market. And last but not least, we have my right monitor. Now this monitor, half of it is going to be the Discord chat, and then the other half is going to be my market internals. We have Tick, Add, VIX. We also have ES, which is, the S&P 500. I have NQ on my left screen that I showed you guys before. So these are all the market internals that I'm watching. I also have trend on there, but that's on the indicator, which is right here. So this is just helping me out to save some space. But this is basically my trading setup. You guys can go ahead and screenshot this, do whatever you guys want to do. You know, if you want to add it to your own trading setup, make sure you guys go on my Instagram, add me. It's right here on the bottom left or bottom right. It's in red. Should be in red. Make sure you guys go check that out. DM me your trading setup right now. I'll be giving away about $200 to the best trading setup to whoever sends me that on a DM on Instagram. But other than that, this is basically my trading setup. Just a piece of advice. You don't need a lot of monitors. It's what you can do with 1 or 2 monitors, depending on, you know, the type of trader. More monitors might be counterproductive. You know, it might increase noise. So it's better to have, you know, 1 or 2 monitors and get good at that. You really don't need more than that. It's just the convenience to have multiple. You know, is there for me. I like it personally, and you know, my trading setup might not work for other people as well. So if you have a trading setup that works, stick with it, right? I'm comfortable with this. So that's about it for this video. Make sure you guys go leave a like, subscribe, comment down below how many monitors you guys are using, and make sure you guys shoot me a DM of your trading setup for a chance to win $200. Other than that, you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.